Learn these life lessons once and live the rest of your life without regret. 1. Every time you are rejected from something good, you are redirected to something better. Rejection isn't the end, it's guidance toward alignment. 2. The harder your past was, the more beautiful your future will be. Struggle deepens strength, making joy shine brighter. 3. The people who say you can't and you won't are usually the ones scared that you will. Doubt often reveals their fear, not your limits. 4. Remember, some of the best times of your life haven't even happened yet. The story isn't finished. Tomorrow still holds treasures. 5. When you're driving through the darkness, you can only see as far as the headlights shine, but you can make the whole trip that way. You don't need the whole map, just the next step. 6. The past shows what you've done. The future will show what you learned. Mistakes are teachers. Growth is the real proof. 7. It's not hard. It's just new. Fear often disguises itself as difficulty. 8. Growth is uncomfortable because you've never been here before. Discomfort signals that you are becoming more. 9. People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Impact lives not in words, but in presence. 10. No matter how good a person you are, you will always be bad in someone's story. You cannot control perception, only your integrity. Be selfish with your time. A lot of people don't deserve it. Protect your hours. They are your true wealth. 12. If you have more than 3 priorities, you have none. Focus is power. Scattering weakens everything. 13. Worrying only means you suffer twice. Anxiety multiplies pain that hasn't even come. Don't cling to a mistake just because you spent a lot of time making it. Time invested doesn't turn wrong into right. 15. Be the person you know, needed when you were younger. Offer yourself and others the guidance you once lacked. Say, given the choice between being right and being kind, choose kind. Kindness leaves fewer regrets than ego ever will. Speak your mind even if your voice shakes. Courage begins in trembling honesty. 18. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Fortune favors those who are ready. 19. Don't get bogged down in regrets. Nobody is perfect. Don't chase happiness. Just stay positive and you will experience joy. Perfection is a myth. Presence is enough. 20. Honesty without kindness is brutality. Kindness without honesty is manipulation. Truth and compassion must walk hand in hand. 21. Everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing it is stupid. Gifts shine only in the right environment. 22. Everything is going to be all right. Maybe not today, but eventually. Storms don't last forever. Calm always returns. 23. Trust yourself. You've survived a lot and you'll survive whatever is coming. Your resilience is proof of your strength. 24. Never give up. You don't know how close you may already be. The breakthrough often hides behind persistence. 5. Don't be scared just because you don't have all the answers right away. You will learn through your experiences and you will find your own path to happiness. Clarity comes with steps, not with waiting. If these insights helped you, remember, learn these life lessons once and live the rest of your life without regret. This is the path of Stoicism, and here on Stoic Wisdom Quotes, we share timeless lessons to guide your journey. So, if you found value in this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs these life lessons today. Thank you for watching, and keep walking with wisdom. Music.